I'm 5'2½". Back, anybody with back pain. I'm just gonna step near the shoe and watch. You step in and that shoehorn allows it just to go right onto your foot. On. And he sat down. You guys should have invented slip-ins back then.
Yeah.
For gentlemen, because look, I don't need to sit down to put this sandal on. I'm gonna slide into this, and I know the table's hard to see, but the back is a shoehorn.
Yes.
And so my shoe just glides into this.
Yeah.
No buckles.
It's amazing.
No straps. How cool is that?
I mean, it's really cool, especially because when we first debuted this technical, like that pitch at all, it's very neutral. Like your foot is in a neutral position. So if you're standing in these, if you had to wear these for like 3 hours or 4 hours on air, Amy, you would
do 8 hours.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You really could.
Right?
They really are that.
25 inches. Do you have that on, Katya?
I believe so.
Okay, Katya is 5'10". She could have went with the tall, but we had the regular.
Oh, no, you didn't miss it. Hey Girl is every Wednesday, live at 11:15 Eastern.